Welcome to another new show. So, you're probably wondering, another one? What? Why don't you make some of the older shows? Why don't you do something you've done before? Well, it's a good question, but we're still going to do something different because we're just trying to figure things out. So, this new show, it's kind of going to be a behind the scenes slash just a kind of a real life vlog, but not really a vlog. It's going to be a bunch of different things. But it's going to be the real life people who are behind the shows and the characters that we've created for like XVU Finite and stuff. So let's just jump into it. Okay, so this show's basically going to be, sometimes I'm going to be doing it alone, sometimes with other people. Sometimes I'm going to be doing something interesting, sometimes I might not be. I don't know. Sometimes I'll be talking about film, sometimes I'll be talking about photography with somebody, or I really don't know. Maybe we'll be doing challenges, maybe we don't. But basically the whole show's going to be called like something like Nathaniel Does Something. Probably. I don't know. So, but today, I don't know what I'm going to do yet.
You're going to bake.
I don't really bake though.
That's fine. But today you will.
Look guys, it's the portal. We're not going in there. Give me the most complicated task you have.
Crush these.
Okay, got it. So this is step one, guys. Getting the graham cracker slightly crushed. I'm such a pro. I need some. You know what? We're just gonna do it like this. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna take this bowl, apparently. So I was told. And I'm gonna take the graham crackers, pour it into the bowl, like the pro I am. She thinks it's funny. And then I'm gonna take the butter that we melted. Oh. Everything's just going wrong, guys. I'm gonna pour the butter right in. That looked really cool. Oh well, you're not gonna see it. Mix, 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 mix. Gotta mix it all up. Mix the sugar in with the butter and the graham cracker crumbs. Mix, mix all the day. Mix, mix, mix in every way. Yeah, that's how you get through work, guys. Just keep singing. Just keep singing, just keep singing. Disney, don't sue me. So, this is kind of boring, so we're just going to do everything else in a slow motion musical montage. Let's go! So the cheesecake's in the oven, and now we're just gonna wait. So, still waiting for the cheesecake to be baked. It's been in like an hour and a half, and now it's like 2 hours?
It's been an hour and 45 minutes.
It's been in an hour and 45 minutes.
But the oven's off now.
But the oven's off, and now it's just sitting in there for another half an hour. And then we have to open it for half an hour.
The door, not the cheesecake.
Right. We're not gonna open. Right.
That comes later.
This is the worst part of it. Just having to wait. So it's kind of done. Now it has to like sit for like what, 5 to 7 hours?
Yeah.
Just want to eat it. So what are we doing while we're waiting?
We're making a whipped cream and topping.
Hey, Kaylee,
Yeah.
is it cool enough now?
I hope so.
Go for it. Is it good? You look like you're enjoying it.
It's horrible.
Eat some more.
I'm saving the world.
It's kind of like a pumpkin cheesecake without pumpkin.
How is it?
It's good.
Still warm. I didn't expect it to be still warm.
Good thing you're using the spoon.
It's kind of like bread pudding.
I mean,
It's not
as
bad.
Ben said, if it were chilled the proper 6 to 7 hours or overnight,
Then you could use a fork.
that's a bit much.
Cannolis are always a bit much.
I hope you enjoyed this video. This first episode of Nathaniel Does Something, I guess. I look forward to doing something next time. If you have any ideas of what I should do next time, just kind of leave a comment down below. Like the video, subscribe, share it to someone to subscribe as well. You know, the usual thing. Yeah. We'll see you next time.